A federal court yesterday threw out an appeal from three groups that want to make marijuana legal for medical use in the United States. John Blackstone reports the decision could mean prison for a supplier who thought he was playing by the rules.
And free holistic.
Matt Davies' TV commercials made no secret he was selling marijuana through his medical marijuana dispensary.
Providing high-quality medicine to patients in need.
Not the kind of thing a criminal enterprise does.
I should think not. No different than a credit union running advertisements.
Davies says his Medizen dispensaries had all the required permits to operate legally in California.
Every tax any other entity would always have to pay, we had to pay and more.
And you were doing that?
Absolutely. That was the whole point.
But now the 34-year-old father of two is caught between state law that permits medical marijuana and federal law that declares all marijuana illegal. He's facing federal charges that could put him in prison for years, a prospect that haunts his wife, Molly. Your daughters are how old?
18 months and 3 months old today.
So if Matt went to prison for 5, 7...
15 years, yeah.
They grow up.
Yeah.
When he's not here.
He never would have gone down this avenue if he had ever for a moment thought that he would be in trouble with the federal government.
Davies' troubles began in October 2011 after 4 U.S. attorneys stood together to announce a statewide crackdown on medical marijuana providers.
People are using the cover of medical marijuana to make extraordinary amounts of money. In short, to engage in drug trafficking.
4 days later, police raided the warehouse where prosecutors say Davies was growing 2,000 marijuana plants. Federal prosecutor Benjamin Wagner declined our request for an interview, but in a letter described Davies as one of the most significant commercial marijuana traffickers to be prosecuted in this district. The federal government says this was an operation that had revenue in the millions of dollars and profits in the hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Monkey math. $50,000 came to me over the course, approximately give or take, over the course of about a year and a half.
Davies is fighting the federal charges, insisting everything he did was legal under California law. But that defense may not keep him out of federal prison.
I'm just thankful my wife is so strong that no matter what happens, she'll take great care of our daughters.
For CBS This Morning, John Blackstone, Stockton, California.